What should I do with this huge plastic sensor kit right after I applied my FreeStyle Libre sensor? Well, don't throw it in the trash. I have a better solution for you. Let's go! Do you know how much plastic waste comes out of the FreeStyle Libre applicators? I calculated it. If you use FreeStyle Libre sensors regularly, then you need at least 26 sensors per year. I keep my Libre waste in this box. Now when I start putting the used kits one next to another, they will cover the bottom of this box in 10 weeks. In half a year, this box will be full. So every year I fill 2 of these boxes just with my Libre waste. Now Abbott says that 2 million people use their sensor worldwide, which is great, but it also means 4 million boxes of plastic waste. To give you an idea how much this is, 4 million of these boxes would fill 155 cars of the New York City subway. So is there a way to recycle this? Well, yes, there are 2 ways. The first one is a DIY solution, something you can do on your own no matter where you live. Just keep in mind what I do and what I will show in this video is what I do in my country, and there are different waste disposal rules in different countries, so always make sure to follow your local waste disposal regulations. My method is simple. You're gonna need a used sensor applicator kit and pliers, nothing more. And let's start with the bigger part of the transmitter. Unscrew the lid and pull out the white plastic part with your pliers. To do that, you need to make all of the 3 gray oval parts in the device loose, and when you break the final tab, the plastic piece will come out as well as a metal spring. The metal spring will jump out of the kit, and right under it is the needle. So just be careful when you're doing this so that you don't get hit by the metal spring or the needle. Next, you can pull out the needle, and it's the only needle in the package. You should always dispose the needle in a sharps container so that nobody gets injured. And then you can remove another white piece of plastic, and this will give you a better idea how the applicator mechanism actually works. The second part of the applicator is really easy to recycle because it is solely made of plastic. I tried to take the plastic parts apart, but it's almost impossible, and I think it's not really necessary because it is all plastic. So we have many plastic pieces, 1 needle and 2 metal pieces, the spring and the aluminum lid. Now I thought you might want to know what to do and how to recycle the used sensor as well. So here it is. Again, very simple. You just need the used sensor and a small screwdriver. One part of the sensor is the tiny filament that is under your skin, and we can easily remove the part with the filament using a screwdriver. Although this part is not very sharp, I believe it should still go to the sharps container. And then we're left with the sensor and the adhesive. The adhesive I just throw in the trash, and because there is a battery inside the sensor, I place the whole sensor into the battery disposal bin. So this was the first DIY option. The second option how to recycle the whole sensor kit is Abbott's Sensor Kit Take Back pilot program, which was announced just a few weeks ago. As part of this program, you can send your sensor kits back to Abbott to help them identify the most effective solution for collecting and keeping them out of landfills. You can order a free shipping bag from Abbott's website. I will put a link to this website in the video description. And once you receive the bag, you can fill it in with 6 used sensors, sensor applicators, and sensor packs. And you can order a new pack every 3 months. Abbott says that you may clean the components, but they don't say you have to. So I guess it's not really necessary to clean the sensor and the applicator pack, unless there is blood all over them. Now, when you ship your used sensor to Abbott, Abbott will ship them to a waste to energy facility where they will be transferred into renewable energy. So to be precise, the sensor kits are not really getting recycled as part of this program. They are rather transferred into renewable energy. And I was really curious, why are they not getting recycled? And I found the response on Abbott's website. Here is what they say. Sensor kits are made from multiple materials and they are not designed for easy assembly. So it looks like Abbott wanted to find a way how to keep the used sensor kits out of the landfill very quickly, and that's why they went with waste to energy. And it seems that they are working on a recycling solution that should be available at some point. Now, this pilot program is only running in the US as of now, and it will continue running for 6 to 12 months. And after that, Abbott wants to find and communicate a more permanent solution not only for the US but also for remaining countries. Guys, I think this is a great initiative and Abbott definitely deserves a round of applause for this one, at least for me. I'm Tom, I'm type 1 diabetic, and if you want to learn more FreeStyle Libre tips and hacks, click on one of the videos on the screen right now and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, I will see you in the next Type 1 Talks video. Ciao!